Prime Minister Narendra Modi released the 11th installment of the cash benefits under Pradhan Mantri Kisan Samman Nidhi Yojana during a rally at Rij Maidan in Shimla today. 11th tranche of cash benefits of Rs 21,000 crore to more than 10 crore farmers was released today. The 10th installment of benefits under the scheme was released in January this year. The Pradhan Mantri Kisan Samman Nidhi is a new central sector scheme that provides all landholding farmer families in the country income support to help them meet the financial demands for agricultural and allied inputs as well as home needs. According to the government data released on Tuesday, fiscal deficit for 2021-22 worked out to be 6.71% of the gross domestic product, lower than 6.9% projected by the Finance Ministry in the revised budget estimates. The Controller General of Accounts said that the fiscal deficit in the absolute terms was Rs 15,86,537 crore. The government had initially pledged a fiscal deficit of 6.8% during the budget presented in February 2021. The figures were later revised to 6.9%. Late Punjabi singer and Congress leader Sidhu Moosewala was cremated on Tuesday at his native village Musa in the Mansa district of Punjab. His body was taken from Mansa Civil Hospital at his residence on Tuesday morning, where a huge crowd had gathered outside his house. Moosewala's mortal remains were taken to his native village for cremation at the family's agricultural land. A huge crowd joined the funeral procession and the final cremation amid heavy security. Moosewala was shot dead in a brutal and horrifying incident on Sunday. Health Ministry on Tuesday issued guidelines to the states and the union territories on monkeypox disease amid the rising cases of the infection in many countries. Although India has not witnessed any monkeypox infections, the ministry advised that India should stay prepared in light of rising reports of cases in non-endemic countries. The Health Ministry said that people having any travel history to the monkeypox affected countries in the last 21 days and showing symptoms can be infected and should get the test done to confirm the same. The ministry further advised such people to stay isolated till the laboratory results come out. Health Minister of Delhi Satyendar Jain has been sent to the custody of the Enforcement Directorate till 9th June in an alleged case of money laundering. Jain was arrested by the Enforcement Directorate on Monday and was later taken into custody. Charges under several sections of the Prevention of Money Laundering Act have been pressed against the Health Minister of the AAP-led Delhi government.